All right, I just finishing up on a job. The guys did the furnace, so this is what it looks like. It's 80B coil, and it goes up to a 12-inch plenum. I think that's 18-inch bubble wrap 90. The furnace is shimmed in the back, so for the condensate and the platform is shimmed up. So we're gonna start it tomorrow. Anything you don't like, you can just leave in the comments below. I don't care because I didn't do anything. Then tomorrow they're gonna put these on here. These are gonna come across like that. Startup, it's a 4-ton with a 75,000 BTU furnace. So